Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you a little bit about a product I've been using in my hair. It's called TRESemme Salon Silk Serum. It's made with argan oil, it smooths out your hair, and it's just so easy to use. You guys have probably heard of TRESemme before. It's a pretty popular brand. They always have commercials for it and advertising, stuff like that. So this is the 3.3 ounce bottle. I think this is the standard size that it comes in. It usually has a blue cap that's sealed, but I lost it somewhere along the lines. I just really love the way it makes my hair feel. It's easy to use. It just feels good and easy to manage. I use this before blow drying or straightening and while my hair is still damp. Very easy to use. It's a professional quality formula, instantly smooths and calms frizz to leave hair softer and healthy looking with great shine. Definitely does all that. Helps prevent hair before and after drying. Helps protect hair before and after drying, detangles and conditions all hair types without weighing hair down. I have like pretty thin hair, but it's good on any type of hair, curly, straight, whatever. Mine just dries really frizzy if I don't use anything. This helps a lot in the humidity of the summer. Usually my hair will be super frizzy on a humid day, but if I straighten my hair and use this, it helps a lot with the frizz. TRESemme's philosophy: from our origins in salons around the world, we have always been driven by a simple truth: every woman deserves to look fabulous without spending a fortune. This is very, very cost effective, this product. TRESemme is dedicated to creating hair care and styling products that are salon quality without the salon price. Salon inspired, stylist tested products to help you create your own style and experience the salon feeling every day. So very easy to use. It has like this squirt top bottle. Very easy. Apply evenly to damp hair. I usually towel dry my hair and then I'll put it in, concentrating on the lengths and ends. Helps against split ends too, I noticed, because I tend to get those a lot. Comb through with a wide tooth comb to avoid breakage. Do not rinse out. Dry and style as usual. Can also be used on dry hair for added softness and shine. You can use it on dry hair. I've tried it, but I don't, because it's just, I feel like it makes my hair greasy if I use it when it's dry. It's just better to use it on, towel dried or damp hair and then to style it afterwards. I feel like I just don't like my hair to look greasy. No one does. So, I mean, maybe it's just me because my hair is probably thinner than the average person's, but I prefer to just use it on damp hair. So avoid contact with eyes, of course. In case of contact, rinse eyes thoroughly with warm water. And perfect. This product is not tested on animals. I always look out for that if I can. That's awesome. Good to know. I don't know if that's just this or all TRESemme products. This is probably like one of the first times I'm using TRESemme, because I just go through so many products, and I actually heard of this just from the commercials, and my mom had purchased one. She used to get perms in the 80s, and like her hair is somewhat damaged, and she uses this before she blow dries or even just on damp hair and lets it air dry. So I just pump like 2 squirts, because if you overdo it, your hair is going to be greasy. So I'll just show you in the palm of my hand. I don't know if you guys could really see, because it's so clear. I don't know if you guys could see that. See the shininess? It's literally clear, and it's non-sticky feeling. Putting it in my hair, putting it through my hair right now. It doesn't leave your hand feeling sticky or anything like that. It just feels really smooth. I've put it in my hair and then went down to sleep, and it didn't stain my pillowcases or anything like that. So it's definitely professional quality in my eyes, because I love beauty products and I've probably tried hundreds and hundreds of them at this point. Overall, just really happy with it. The bottle's recyclable, and yeah, I just really like that it helps my hair against damage, and it doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy or oily or anything like that. Perfect for this humid day we're having today, and helps keep it straight, which is awesome. It's also nice that this is safe on color treated hair. I do dye my hair dark brown now, and I had highlights for years, and my hair would often feel dry. It just feels more full of life now when I use this product, and I'm just really thankful that I found it, and I'm really happy with it. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you guys try out some TRESemme Salon Silk Serum. Have a good day, guys.